Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will learn about lesson 14, that is capital letters and small letters. Okay, what are we learning about? Capital letters and small letters. Okay, so you tell me, what is an alphabet? You know what is an alphabet? Okay, alphabet, the English words, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called the alphabets. And how many letters are there in alphabet? 26 letters. You clear? 26 letters are there in alphabet. And what is alphabet? See, this is your alphabet A, B, C, D till Z. This is your alphabet. This A, B, C, D, what you have learned in LKG, UKG, this is your alphabet. Okay? We call this alphabet. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is your alphabets and they are 26 in number. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So they are 26 in number. If someone asks you a question, how many letters are there in alphabet? What you will say? 26 letters are there in alphabet. Okay? Yes. Now, you know what is capital letter and what is small letter? Okay, you tell me this. Is this a capital letter or small letter? If I am writing A, B, C, D, is this a capital letter or small letter? Yes, it is a capital letter. This is your capital letter. And what about this? A, B, C and D. What is this? This is your small letter. This is your small letter. Yes? Okay. Now you are clear what is capital letter and what is small letter? This is your capital letter and this is your small letter. You all have learned this in LKG. Yes? A. This is your capital. This is your small. This is your E. This is a capital letter or small letter? Small letter. And what is this? This is your capital E. Yes? Okay. This is your capital L. And this is your small l. Yes? Yes? Okay. When you will see in your book, this is your capital letters. And this is your small letters. Okay? Yes? Okay. Children, you know, sometimes we use capital letter in a sentence and sometimes we use small letters in the sentence. Yes? You have seen? When we write our name, we begin the word with capital letter. Suppose someone's name is Aman. A-M-A-N. Aman. So, we'll begin with capital letter. Your A will be in capital, M-A-N will be your small letter. Okay? See children, when I am writing someone's name, Aman Gaur. Aman Gaur. I am writing a first letter, I am starting with capital letter. A is in capital now. Rest M-A-N is in small letter. Similarly, when surname I am writing, surname also I am writing in capital letter. See, I have started with capital letter. So, whenever we write someone's name, we always start with capital letter. See another example, Aryan Verma. Aryan Verma. See, I am starting again with a capital letter. See, rest is small and A is capital. Similarly, we are writing surname. In surname, V is in capital letter and rest is in small letter. Yes? We always write in someone's name with capital letter. See, if I am writing Aryan with a small letter, A with a small letter, see I have used A with a small letter. This is wrong and this is correct. Okay? This is wrong and this is correct. Okay? Yes. I'm writing here Neeti. Neeti is someone's name. See, again I've started with capital letter. N is capital. Rest is small. I'm writing Arun. Arun. Again A I'm using capital and RUN as small. A as capital, RUN as small. Any name. If you are writing any place name, suppose you are writing Agra. You are writing Agra. See, place name also we start with capital letter. Place name also we start with capital letter. Okay? Yes. Now, this thing is clear to you? Everyone, how to write with capital letter and when to write with small letter? Okay. Whenever we start any line, suppose I am writing this is a boy. This is a boy. We will always use capital letter of the first sentence. We will always use capital letter of the first word in the sentence. Okay? If I am writing he is a boy. He is a boy. See, this sentence I have written, H I have put capital. Every time, whenever we write any sentence, we start with capital letter. Okay? Now, two things I have told you. Whenever we write anyone's name, we start with a capital letter. Anyone's name when we write with a capital letter. Okay? Second thing what I have told you, whenever we start any sentence, we begin with capital letter. Okay? Yes, this thing is clear. Now, I will teach you full stop. When to use full stop. Okay? See children, I am writing this is a bat. This is a bat. When I was writing the sentence, see, I have started with capital letter. Yes? Okay. Now, when we end any sentence, we put full stop in the last. We use full stop in the last. Okay? And how we put full stop? Your full stop is just one dot. This is your full stop. This is your full stop. Okay? So, whenever we complete any sentence, at last we put full stop. Okay? Suppose I take one more example. I have a pet. I have a pet. See, I have started with capital letter. Sentence I have started with capital letter. Now, the sentence is over. So, in last I will put full stop. Have I put full stop? Yes. This is your full stop. Now, take one more sentence. The boy is dancing. The boy is dancing. Now, I have started with capital letter. See, I have started with capital letter. And see, throughout the sentence, I haven't used any capital letter. Have I used any capital letter in the sentence? No. Only in the starting of the sentence, I have used capital letter. Now, in last, I will put full stop. Whenever we complete any sentence, we put full stop. Keep it in mind. Whenever we complete any sentence, we put full stop. And whenever we start any sentence, we use capital letter. Is this clear to you all? Okay. See children, let's discuss some example given in your book. See, I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. See, he has started the sentence with capital letter, and when he has completed the sentence, he has put full stop. Here also you see, Jim hit the ball with the bat. See, J is in capital letter, and after bat full stop is put. Arun loves to swim. See, Arun A is in capital letter. After swim, in the last we have put full stop. See, the hen laid an egg. The hen laid an egg. The T is in capital letter. See, everywhere you see when the sentence we are starting, we are using capital letter. Here also we are using capital letter. And at last we are putting full stop. You are clear? Okay. Let's discuss some of the example. First we will do the exercise of lesson 14. See, it is given write your name here. So what you will write your name? Suppose your name is Aryan. So you will write Aryan. Aryan. A will be in capital letter. Similarly, you will write your surname here, your friend's name here, your father's full name here. Full name beta. So you will write your father's full name, your mother's full name. You will do it at your home in your rough copy. Write your teacher's full name. Okay? So how you will write? When you will write your teacher's full name, you will start with capital letter. See, S is in capital and your surname will be in capital. See, G is in capital. And like this you will put. You will do this in your rough copy. This is your homework. You will write these questions in your rough copy. Okay? Now let's do the exercise of this chapter. What is the question? Write the following sentence properly. Start each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. What you have to do? You have to start the sentence with capital letter and you have to end with full stop. See, nowhere it has started with capital letter. Now we have to correct it and we have to write it in capital letter. So how you will write? Tina, T capital. Tina, T capital. Put the flowers in the vase. See, I am putting full stop here. I have completed the sentence. I am putting full stop here. Okay. Same here. My M capital. My brother. My brother gave me an apple. We will put full stop here. We will put full stop here. Again, this one. Zakir loves to play football. So Z will be capital. Yes. So we will write Zakir loves to play football. And I will put full stop. Have you understood how to do the exercise? This also you will do at your home in your rough copy. Rest of the exercise you will do at your home in your rough copy. Okay? So you have two exercises to do. Lesson 14 exercise and lesson 15 exercise. Both the exercise you will do in your rough copy. Okay? Thank you, class.